how to set up a Truist online banking account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up a Truist online banking account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the bank.truist.com website on your laptop or PC. Over here, you have to click on I don't have a Truist account yet and click on open an account. After that, you have to click on open now. Over here, you have to click on start application. Then click on no. After that, you have to enter your zip code and click on continue. If you want to add any other accounts as well, then just click on add this account and then click on continue. After that, you have to fill in these information and complete all these steps in order to set up a Truist online banking account. So that's how you can set up a Truist online banking account. That's all for this video.